Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stan and today I'm going to make this very simple recipe with bottle gourd, which is also known as Lauki or Doodhi, and I'll be making this in a curry form so that we can eat it with rice. So let's get started. Alright, so let's begin with the cooking. Now for this recipe I'll be using ghee, so I'm taking around 2 tablespoons of ghee. You can use oil as well, that's not a problem, but ghee gives a nice flavor to this curry. So once the ghee is hot, okay, I'll be adding 1 cinnamon stick, 1 clove and 4 peppercorns. Then I'll be adding in a teaspoon of jeera, that's cumin seeds. It's half teaspoon of jeera, and then we will add in tomatoes. Alright, so I've added 2 medium-sized tomato chopped, and now I'll be adding in 1 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoon of salt. So we need to fry these tomatoes until they are cooked properly. So we need to get rid of the raw taste of the tomato. So it will take around 1 to 2 minutes. Keep stirring it, don't let the tomatoes burn. Alright, so it's been 2 minutes now that I kept frying this tomato. Now the flame is low. Okay, so you can see the tomato. Okay, so it's gone pulpy. And now I'll add in the masala. Turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and half teaspoon of jeera powder. Okay, these are the basic masalas that I've added in. Now I'll just give it a mix. Now you see the masala is dried up, the tomato is dried up a little bit, so I'll just add in little water because I don't want the dried masala, the dried spices to burn. Okay, this just needs to be cooked for another 30 seconds. So it's been 30 seconds. So now I'll be adding in the bottle gourd. So I've just cut this into small pieces like this. Okay, and I'll just add this into the pressure cooker. I usually cook it in pressure cooker only because I just give it 1 to 2 whistles. That's it. Okay, I'll just mix it nicely. And now I'll add in water. So I won't use much water, just 1 cup, because the bottle gourd, while it's cooking, it will lose all the water. Okay, that's it. Now we will let it cook on pressure. Alright, that's it. So I'll pressure cook this now. I'll give 1 whistle on high flame and then I'll turn the flame low and give another whistle and turn off the flame. And I'll let it sit for another 5 to 10 minutes till the pressure cooker settle down, and then we will open it. Our bottle gourd curry will be ready. Okay, so the pressure has settled now. Now I'll open the pressure cooker. Okay, so the curry is perfectly done. As you can see, the vegetable also is cooked. Right, now I'll just add in some fresh coriander leaves. Just give it a mix. And now we will serve it in a bowl. So guys, that's it. It was that simple to make this recipe. Let me know how you like this recipe, how you like the video, and if you are the one who hasn't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing it. And I'll see you again in the next video. My name is Stan. Take care. Goodbye.